Students of class 4th, exercise 7. In this exercise, we have to learn about the formation of the numbers using the given digits. There are two types of the number form using the given digits, smallest number and greatest number. To form the smallest number, place all the digits in their ascending order other than 0, because 0 will be placed at the second place from the extreme left. To form the greatest number, place all the digits in the descending order. Only 2 points we have to keep in our mind. Let's start taking the examples or taking the questions. Part A of question number 1. Question 1 is, write the smallest and greatest 5-digit numbers using the given digits, each only once. Means any one digit must not be repeated. There are 5 digits. Using these 5 digits form the smallest and greatest 5-digit number. So let's start. Part A, 42973. There is not a 0. So simply, to form the smallest number, place these digits in the ascending order. First of all, 2, 3, 4, 7 and 9. Don't place these commas here. If you place comma like this, so this comma will be convert this number as digits. So keep this thing in your mind. Never place the commas here, because this comma will convert this number in digits. So simply, if you want to place the commas according to the place value chart. If you want to place the numbers according to Indian place value system or international place value system, you can place. Indian place value system tells ones, tens, hundreds, place the comma here, 10,000, and if series is long, then place the commas in proper manner. Greatest number, place these digits in the descending order. First of all, 9, 7, 4, 3 and 2. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000. This is 97,432. Point B, 13709. In these digits there is 0. So ascending order is other than 0. 10379. 0 will be placed at the second place from the extreme left to form the smallest number. First of all, 1, then 0, then 3, 7 and 9. Ones, tens, hundreds, 10,379. To form the greatest number, 0 will be at ones place. So this will be 9, 7, 3, 1 and 0. That will be 97,310. This part C you will solve by yourself. You can do easily. This is very easy part. Question number 2. Write the smallest and greatest 5-digit number using given digits, repeating 4 twice. It means 4 will be repeated 2 times. There are 4 digits, but we have to form the number of 5 digits using these 4 digits, but 4 will be repeated, 4 will be repeated and 4 will be repeated twice. So let's start. Question number 2, part A, 1425. Smallest number. Arrange these digits in ascending order. Its ascending order is 1, 2, 4 and 5. But according to condition is that 4 will be repeated twice. It means place 4, 4 and 5. Ones, tens, hundreds. This is 12,445. Greatest number. Arrange these digits in descending order. Greatest digit is 5, then 4. But condition is repeat 4 as 4 twice. So 4, then 2 and 1. Ones, tens, hundred. Place the comma here. This is 54,421. Part B. Part B is digits are 3408. There is 0. 0 will be placed as second place from the extreme left. So to form the smallest number, 3, 0. Smallest digit is 3. other than 0. So 3, 0, 448. 4 is repeated 2 times. This is 33,448. From the greatest number, 0 will be at ones place. This is 84430. 84,430. Part C you will solve by yourself. Now question number 3. From the smallest 6-digit number using the digits 1, 3, 0, 5, 7 and 6, each only once. It means simply we have to form the smallest 6-digit number using the given digits. No one digit will be repeated. So solve with the third question here. Your proper manner to write in the notebook, that will be digits, the given digits equal to 1, 3, 0, 5, 7 and 6. So smallest number equal to, first of all 1, 0 will be at second place from the extreme left. So 1, 0, then 3, then 5, then 6, then 7. This is the solution of this question. Place the comma according to the Indian place value chart. Ones, tens, 100, comma 1000, 10,000, comma lakh, means 1,03,567. This is the proper solution. This solution you have to write in your notebook. These fill-ups will be filled in your book. No need to write these questions in the notebook. Fill in your book exercise only. This third question you will complete in your notebook. In question fourth question is form the greatest 6-digit number using these digits, repeating 8 twice. In this question 8 must be repeated 2 times. So how to solve this question? First of all, write the digits. So here question number 4. Fourth question is digits are 7, 8, 9, 3 and 5. We have to form the greatest number. So write here greatest number equal to form the greatest number, place the greatest digit first. It means arrange the digits in the descending order. First of all, place 9 and 8. Our condition is 8 twice, means repeat 8 2 times. So 8, 8, then 7, 5 and then 3. This is the proper arrangement of the digits in descending order. This will be the greatest number of 6 digits. Using these digits, place the comma according to Indian place value chart. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. This is 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 9 lakh, 88,753. This is the proper solution of question 4. This is third. Fifth question is form the greatest of 5-digit number using the digits of 1, 3, 5 and 0, repeating 1 twice. In this question 1 will be repeated 2 times. This question you will solve by yourself. Now exercise 7 is completed. If you have any type of doubt, watch the video 2-3 times or send me your doubt on the WhatsApp group. Your doubt will be cleared soon. Maintain your proper fair notebook. These 3 questions will be written in your notebook. Thank you.